If you use Airbnb frequently for your business travel, try and sign up for Airbnb for Business. Sometimes you may find a discounted price. At the same time, it gives you capabilities to book a stay for a colleague. And once you have booked their stay, they can communicate directly with the host without you being involved. But at the same time, you could be the one who booked the stay and paid for it, but the rest of the communication happens between your colleague and the host. Let me show you how you can set your account for that. Before I go to the next steps, make sure you do this from a computer. Airbnb phone app is not well designed for things like that. Once you are on your computer, click on the profile image on the top right section and click on account. And then you will see this option, travel for work. Click there. And here, just enter your business email address. Click on add work email. They will send a confirmation email to your inbox. The email will look like this. Just click on confirm work email and you're all set. Click on explore Airbnb. This will automatically land you onto a page which shows all those places which are popular with business travelers. To see the biggest difference it has made into your account, click on profile image again, click on account, click on travel for work again. You will see your email address, which you've just verified. Click on booking permissions. This option wasn't there before. Over here, it shows your profile has been fully configured. Now, if I wanted someone else to book a stay for me on Airbnb, I can simply click on this option, add a travel booker, and enter their email address. And after that, they will be able to book stays for me. At the same time, if I wanted to book a stay for someone else on Airbnb, I can just add them as a traveler here, enter their email address, send a request to the person. They will need to accept your request. And after that, you will be able to book stays for them from your profile. Once the other person has accepted your invite to book their stay, you can simply choose the property you want to book, click on reserve. And on the second page, you will need to choose this option. Is this a work trip? Flick this box and that will bring these two options. First is book this place for someone else. And if that is what you want to do, you can just click on add the name of the person. Their email will automatically appear and you can just click on save. And you can just carry on making rest of the reservation as you would. Enter your payment method, and once the booking is confirmed to the host, it will appear as if this person has booked the stay, not you, and all the communication will happen between this person and the host, and you will act just as a booking coordinator. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, which will encourage me to make more such videos. Until next time, bye-bye.